Hello everyone. Ever stared at your computer and wondered what magical wizardry is happening inside that box? You click, you type, you game, and somehow, it all just works. But how? What are the secret ingredients that make up the machine you use every day? Today, we're pulling back the curtain and demystifying the world of computer hardware. We're going to pop the hood on this digital engine and explore every single key component, from the brain to the backbone. By the end of this video, you won't just see a black box. You'll understand the symphony of technology working in perfect harmony. So grab your curiosity, and let's dive deep into the heart of a computer. First up, let's talk about the undisputed king of the computer, the central processing unit, or CPU. Think of the CPU as the brain of the entire operation. Every click you make, every key you press, every command you give your computer, it all gets sent to the CPU to be processed. It's the ultimate multitasker, performing billions of calculations every single second. When you open a program, edit a photo, or even just move your mouse, the CPU is the one doing all the heavy lifting, executing instructions, and making sure everything runs smoothly. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, telling every other part of the computer what to do and when to do it. The faster your CPU, the quicker your computer can think, making it feel snappier and more responsive. So next time you're amazed at how fast your computer loads a web page, give a little nod of respect to the tiny, powerful brain at its core. Now, if the CPU is the brain, then the graphics processing unit, or GPU, is the creative artist. The GPU is a specialized processor designed specifically to handle all things visual. We're talking about rendering images, videos, animations, and of course, the stunning graphics in your favorite video games. Have you ever tried playing a modern game on an old computer and it looked choppy or pixelated? That's likely because the GPU couldn't keep up. A powerful GPU can handle millions of polygons and complex textures in real time, creating the smooth, photorealistic worlds we love to get lost in. But it's not just for gaming. GPUs are also essential for video editing, 3D modeling, and even artificial intelligence, as they can process massive amounts of data in parallel. So, whether you're battling dragons or editing your next viral video, it's the GPU that's painting the beautiful picture on your screen. So, we have a brain and an artist. What else do we need? A good memory, of course. This is where RAM, or random access memory, comes into play. If the CPU is the brain, RAM is its short-term memory or its workspace. Imagine you're a chef cooking a big meal. You wouldn't keep all your ingredients in the pantry and run back and forth for each one, right? You'd bring out everything you need and place it on your countertop for easy access. That countertop is your RAM. It holds all the data for the applications and files you're currently using, so the CPU can access them instantly. The more RAM you have, the bigger your countertop is, and the more tasks you can juggle at once without slowing down. Have you ever had a dozen browser tabs open, along with a music player and a document, and your computer starts to lag? That's a sign you're running out of RAM. It's volatile memory, meaning it clears itself every time you turn off your computer, ready for a fresh start the next day. But what about all the files, photos, and programs you want to keep forever? That's where storage comes in. Unlike RAM's short-term memory, storage is the computer's long-term memory. Think of it as a vast library or a filing cabinet where you store everything you want to save permanently. This is where your operating system, your software, your documents, your cat videos, everything lives. There are two main types of storage drives: the traditional hard disk drive, or HDD, and the modern solid-state drive, or SSD. HDDs are like vinyl record players, with a spinning disk and a mechanical arm that reads and writes data. They offer huge amounts of storage for a lower price. SSDs, on the other hand, have no moving parts. They use flash memory, like a giant USB stick, making them incredibly fast, more durable, and quieter. When you boot up your computer, open a large file, or load a new level in a game, the speed of your storage drive makes a huge difference. An SSD can make an old computer feel brand new, slashing loading times and making the whole experience much smoother. Now, how do all these brilliant components, the brain, the artist, the memory, the library, talk to each other? They all connect to one central hub, the motherboard. The motherboard is the backbone of the computer, a giant printed circuit board that physically holds and connects everything together. It's like the central nervous system, with intricate pathways called buses that allow data to flow between the CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage drives. It has specific slots and sockets for each component, ensuring they all fit perfectly and can communicate effectively. The motherboard determines what kind of components you can use, how much RAM you can install, and what upgrade options you'll have in the future. It's the unsung hero, the foundation upon which the entire system is built. Without the motherboard, you just have a pile of expensive, disconnected parts. It's the component that turns a collection of individual pieces into a single, functioning computer. Of course, none of these components can do anything without power. That's the job of the power supply unit, or PSU. The PSU is the silent, hard-working heart of your computer. It takes the high-voltage alternating current AC power from your wall outlet and converts it into the stable, low-voltage direct current DC power that all your delicate internal components need to operate safely. It's not just a simple power brick. It has a whole series of cables and connectors that plug directly into the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and storage drives, delivering the precise amount of electricity each part requires. A good quality PSU is crucial for system stability and longevity. A cheap or underpowered one can cause random crashes, system instability, or even damage your expensive components. Think of it as the power plant for your own personal digital city. It might not be the most glamorous part, but without a reliable and steady flow of power, the entire city goes dark. Finally, how does your computer connect to the outside world? Through its ports and connectors. These are the gateways that let you plug in all your essential peripherals and accessories. The most common one is the USB port, which stands for Universal Serial Bus. It's used for everything from your mouse and keyboard to external hard drives, printers, and charging your phone. Then you have your video ports, like HDMI and DisplayPort, which send the visual signal from your GPU to your monitor so you can see what you're redoing. The Ethernet port lets you plug in for a fast, stable internet connection, perfect for online gaming or streaming high-definition video. And don't forget the humble audio jack for your headphones or speakers, so you can listen to music or hear the explosions in your game. Each port serves a specific purpose, acting as a specialized door that allows information to travel in and out of your computer, connecting it to a wider universe of devices and possibilities. And there you have it. The CPU, the GPU, RAM, storage, the motherboard, the power supply, and all the ports that bring it together. It's not magic, but an incredible feat of engineering where each part plays a vital role. From the lightning-fast calculations of the CPU to the vast library of your storage drive, every component works in concert to create the seamless experience we often take for granted. So the next time you power on your machine, you'll know exactly what's happening inside that box. You'll understand the symphony of hardware that brings your digital world to life. I hope this journey inside the computer has been as fascinating for you as it is for me. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to learn more about technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.